Good morning, YouTube. So this video is going to be a little bit different compared to other projects that I've worked on. Today we're going to go to the farm and help Dad with the bush hog. So basically he broke a blade, so we got to replace it. So we're going to head down there, get some gas, and get some video for you folks. All right, everybody. So we're here at Sam's Club, getting some gas. That's one thing with the Jeeps. They definitely like their gas. This one with the 2 liter doesn't do too bad, honestly. But so we're gonna get filled up and get on the road. So Dad started a little bit before me. What he's doing here is he's heating up the nut that holds the bush hog blade on the stump jumper. So these are most likely the original parts, and they haven't been off in probably 50 years at least. So a little bit of heat, trying to break loose the rust weld that is on there, and then we can get the big impact on it and hopefully get it off. So after trying to get the nut off, we weren't able to because the nut and bolt assembly were spinning. There was a keyway in the bolt that had worn down and was letting it spin freely, so we weren't able to get it loosened up. So the decision was made, we can get new hardware, so now Dad is actually cutting the nut off to get the bolt out, and then the blade would drop freely. So ended up having to do this for both sides, but able to get replacements, and we're all set. So here Dad and I are going through the backyard to the field to look for half of the blade that actually broke off when he was bush hogging. This is what facilitated us doing repairs on the bush hog. So Dad just showing me what he's done so far, and the farm looks pretty good. All right, everybody. So had some footage of Dad cutting the nut off of the blade for the bush hog. That was a pain in the butt. But gonna check out his new toy. He got a 75 horsepower New Holland tractor. It's used, so new to us, but Mom says it's right color, so it's blue, but got some electrical issues with radio, cab lights, nothing major. So I'm gonna take a look at that real quick and see what we need to do to fix it. So yeah, this is the first cab tractor we've had. So pretty stoked about it. Definitely gonna make hay and mowing and everything a lot nicer. And it's 4-wheel drive too, so hopefully Dad doesn't get stuck. So we're gonna check out some electrical. I was testing some lights, but need a little bit more information on some stuff to try and figure out what we need to do. All right, everybody. So we got some blades for the bush hog, and then got a radio and speakers for the tractor. So got some lunch too, so now we're gonna head back to the farm and put everything on. Whew. All right, everybody, so this is gonna wrap up the video for today. I was hoping to get a little bit more as far as video, but wiring up the radio in the tractor was really boring. If you've done a radio install in your life, it's literally power, ground, key, speakers. Now of course you can go more in depth to that, but with the tractor there's no subs or amps or anything like that. So wait for this truck to go by. There went Ace, cool. Got a load of hay. But anywho's, on the tractor, put my GoPro on the tire, which is a nice flat spot. But got to take it off. So I don't know how, but the GoPro fell off. It was in the yard hanging out. And you're watching the video from that GoPro. So I'm not gonna buy any lottery tickets because all my luck has just been spent. But hopefully you get to see what I do for the day. And we'll say too, got a Yanmar 3101 diesel for sale. I believe it's a 1985. Dad's owned this thing for going on 20 years now, and it's got just almost 1,000 hours on it. So still a good running machine. You guys have any questions on it, you're local, want to buy it, let me know. But we're going to put it on Facebook Marketplace and hopefully get rid of it, because great tractor, great size, but Dad doesn't really use it anymore. Does come with a finish mower, the rototiller, which will turn any of the dirt here in Ohio to just sand. It does an amazing job. And I think a small bush hog, but don't quote me on that. So this is going to wrap it up for me. If you stayed around this long, I really appreciate it. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you on the next one.